Before I begin my speech, I would like to say this to GLADAMERE. I believe we are two of a kind. We both believe that we are stronger. We should act on it and take action. I am no longer the shy individual that you once knew. I am now ready to take whatever actions are necessary to get the things that I want without regards to others. GLADAMERE, you gave me an explanation that was good, and you are starting to take my advice. I know and understand that you are still watching. At the very least, can you please remove the Clubhouse app on my phone? It really is a nuisance, and it's draining my battery. I do, however, like it there. I know about Larry and all of his associates. I plan on seeing him this week. It's really pathetic on how you are conducting your brutal attack. You should have crushed Ukraine in 3 days. Now it's much harder, and Joe is involved. You left me governor, and I can stop Joe from interfering. You really have no sense of battle. It's really depressing for me to watch it every day on the news. Let's work together. You'll never get past Ukraine without my help. I would like more of an explanation with protection, or are you too shy and bashful? What are you really protecting, and why? This is David, the leader of Cicada. This is just going to be a short speech. I can hardly call it a speech at all. GLADAMERE, you may call my friendly game of blackmail, but I do not, because if I wanted to, I could just take it. I call it just a friendly game of business. We are two friends playing a game of Monopoly. I am your only friend outside of Russia. I am going to end the game and create a new game. As you know, GLADAMERE, I am going to run for governor again. You understand my work and who and what I am. I hate to lose. However, I don't have the capital to get the job done. I will remove all of your files if you give me $100 million. To you, that is like a penny. If I am elected governor, it will give Joe a reason to meet. If I can talk to Joe, I can convince him to stop all the attacks and make you a leader again. If I am elected governor, I will be happy to conduct business with you for whatever favors you might need or want. I feel with $100 million and your help, I can help you considerably. You understand how I can influence people. You understand my work. Please give it a thought. I would be a worthwhile friend. Think about it. This has been a message from the leader of Cicada. GLADAMERE, my account information is this. Account number is 1110028197814. My routing number is 071000013. I will repeat this. My account number is 1110028197814, and my routing number is 071000013. There's no money in the account, so it doesn't matter if anybody knows this number or not. I should have taken the $100 million. The General understands my situation. General, now you understand the words of deception. I'm learning about the world now. I don't like being on my own. If I am elected governor, we can talk. It's now who wants me the most. You understand me the most, and you understand how I feel about Joe. Thank you.